Alright, and here's the real reason why buying a $600 car is a good idea. Almost. Not quite. And I hurt my fucking ankle, but look at that scuff mark. That's the ultimate reason right there why you want to buy a $600 car. That was pretty cool. I almost want to do that again. See if I can make it across this time. Bird. Quite a few people staring at me. This blue car damn near rear-ended me. I'm doing 40 in a 50 zone. Maybe I should have my flashers on, but they were following me doing 40 in a 50 zone for about 5 minutes before I hit a hill, and then all of a sudden I hear a screech of braking and a big flash in my rear view as they swerved. What do we have here? Is this a crash? It is a Mustang. It's not a crash. I think it might be somebody having trouble getting into their driveway though. I really hate having a front wheel drive, man, because drifting in it, I gotta use the parking brake, and maybe I'm just a bitch, but it's a lot fucking harder. Well, you know what? It's because I have a foot parking brake. It's a lot fucking harder than with a rear wheel drive where, oh shit, am I gonna make it up this fucking hill? Ooh, don't pull that way. On the rear wheel drive, you can steer with the fucking throttle. Here, if you put too much throttle in it, it'll just pull you into the ditch. So it's a lot fucking harder than in a rear wheel drive car. It can be a lot of fun kicking that e-brake, but it's a lot harder. It takes actual work versus with the rear wheel drive, it's anyone can do it. It's simple as fuck. With that parking brake, it's a little more challenging, and when that parking brake, in order to use it, you have to kick it on and then kick it off but hold it down. That's a bitch in a box. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah. Beeping's annoying as fuck, dog.